sa librong nabasa ko, in order daw para ma-master mo emotion mo, you have to identify if you are acting out of love or if you're acting out of fear. If you're acting out of love, it means you want to share and improve the life of people around you, not for your own interest, but for the sake of it. If you're acting out of fear naman, it means you focus on getting something. It could be people's approval or attention, money, or power. So for today's video, maglalagay muna ako dito sa aking money binder. And this money binder is intended for my investment. Ayan. So maglalagay tayo ng 1,000 pesos dito sa ating money binder. And remember, ang pag-ipon is a journey. Kaya hindi pa talaga siya puno. So pag may extra talaga tayo, doon tayo naglalagay dito sa ating money binder. Kasi ang pag-iipon is a journey. It's a process. Kaya yan, kapag mayroong opportunity to invest, meron tayong pang-invest. Kaya kung gusto mo na magkaroon ka ng pang-invest, simulan mo ang pag-iipon kahit sa maliit na halaga. Ililink ko lang sa baba itong money binder. Baka bet mo, maganda rin ito pang budget, paglagay ng budget, or pwede rin gawin mo pang-ipon. So kung anong purpose ng pag-iipon. Kaya ililink ko lang sa baba, you may click the yellow button below.